All right, here we go. Second northbound following that M352 that was having all the issues before. Coming up main 1. Yeah, there you go. See that one gate over there didn't go down? It's got motion sensors to prevent cars from getting trapped in there.
Clear Glendale, north on number 1 track, L424 northbound.
Alright, well here's L424. Those engines were really working. We got a southbound on too. He just knocked the light out. I was wondering what that was. We got southbound. With the Union Pacific SD70AH leading, 90-25. That kind of freaked me out for a second. I was wondering why the light just went out. And then I turned around and looked. I saw headlights coming off the cars. But it looks like it's got a lot of aluminum ingots on there, so I'm going to say that that's probably 511 on the other side, M511. Yeah, there's the end of Lima train. I know it's kind of hard for me to see if there's anything of note in this consist because there's barely any light to work with, but I'm keeping my eyes open. Maybe the off chance we have another northbound behind L424, I'll get the signal upgrading to a restricting while I'm looking this way. But I'm not sure. It didn't sound like there was anything coming behind him. But we do have a DPU right there. See what that is. All right, another another Union Pacific locomotive, 6056. His head end just hit the defect detector. Oh yeah, there you go. If that's not an indicator of M511, I don't know what is. It's got one car of truck frames on there. So I would assume that's M511. And doesn't look like we're looking at anything else north, but that was a pretty cool train meet there with some UP power.